If daily body pain is slowing your life down, these 5 new stretches may be the simplest fix you've never tried. Body pain has quietly become one of the biggest obstacles to productive, comfortable living. Whether you sit all day, lift heavy loads, walk long hours, or simply deal with stiffness from age, pain accumulates silently. Many people accept it as a part of life, but the truth is clear. Most forms of everyday body pain are strongly linked to weak mobility, tight muscles, poor movement patterns, and lack of stretching. The right stretching routine can undo years of stiffness, reduce inflammation, increase circulation, and help your joints move the way they were designed to. This script introduces you to 5 easy, beginner-friendly stretches, new in approach, effective in results, and designed for fast daily relief. These stretches target the entire kinetic chain: neck, shoulders, spine, hips, and legs. All you need is 5 to 10 minutes daily, a quiet space, and consistency. No equipment, no expensive therapy, just guided stretching. Why these stretches work. Before we begin, understand one thing. Pain rarely comes from the area that hurts. Neck pain may come from tight shoulders. Lower back pain may come from stiff hips. Knee pain may come from weak glutes. That's why this routine is designed as a full-body release. Each stretch is built to fix the root cause, not only the symptoms. Stretch 1. The upper body decompression stretch. This stretch targets neck stiffness, shoulder pressure, and mid-back tension caused by long hours of sitting or leaning forward. Sit or stand tall. Extend both arms forward, fingers interlaced. Push your palms away from you. Drop your chin gently toward your chest. Hold for 25-30 seconds. Breathe deeply. What you should feel: a gentle opening across the shoulder blades, upper spine, and the base of your neck. This instantly reduces tension built from screen time or desk work. This stretch decompresses the thoracic spine, improves posture, and releases trigger points responsible for common headaches and neck aches. When your upper back relaxes, your lower back also stops compensating, reducing total body pain. Stretch 2. Standing hip. Unlock. The hips control movement and balance. Tight hips create lower back pain, knee strain, and leg fatigue. How to do it: stand tall and place both hands on your hips. Step your right foot forward. Bend your front knee slightly. Shift your weight forward until you feel a pull near your hip flexor. Hold for 20-30 seconds. Switch sides. What you should feel: a long stretch running across the front of your hips and into your thighs. Why it helps. Opening the hip flexors reduces compression on the lumbar spine, making movement smoother and improving blood flow to the legs. If you sit long hours, this stretch is essential. Stretch 3. Spinal reset twist. A highly effective move for back pain relief, digestion support, and posture correction. How to do it. Sit cross-legged or in a chair. Place your right hand on your left knee. Place your left hand behind you. Twist your upper body gently toward the left. Hold for 25-30 seconds. Switch sides. What you should feel: a deep but comfortable twist through your back and ribs. Why it helps. The twist rehydrates spinal discs, improves rotation, and reduces tightness around the lower back. This stretch eases stiffness caused by side sleeping, standing long hours, or lifting weights improperly. Stretch 4. Leg line mobility stretch. This stretch targets hamstrings, glutes, and calves, the 3 major contributors to lower back and hip pain. How to do it. Sit with one leg extended forward. Keep your spine straight. Reach toward your toes without rounding your back. Hold for 20-30 seconds. Switch legs. What you should feel: a long, controlled stretch along the back of your thigh. Why it helps. Tight hamstrings pull your pelvis backward, creating lower back pressure. This stretch corrects pelvic alignment and reduces pain over time. Stretch 5. Full body lengthening. Stretch, a total body movement for releasing built-up tension from head to toe. How to do it. Stand tall. Raise both arms overhead. Reach upward as if touching the ceiling. Lift your heels slightly. Hold for 20-25 seconds. What you should feel: a straight, elongated line from your fingertips down to your legs. Why it helps. This stretch resets posture, decompresses joints, and improves blood flow instantly. Daily plan for pain relief. Perform all 5 stretches once daily. Total time needed, 6 to 8 minutes. Breathe deeply during each hold. Stay consistent for at least 10 days. Most people stretch the wrong muscles. These upgraded versions fix the mistakes that keep your pain coming back. Advanced Stretch 1. Shoulder Capsule Release. Shoulder tightness often causes neck pain, upper back stiffness, and numbness in the arms. Stand next to a wall. Place your forearm vertically against it. Turn your body gently away from the wall. Hold for 20-30 seconds. Switch sides. This opens the shoulder capsule, improves arm mobility, and reduces nerve compression. Advanced Stretch 2. Hip Flexor Plus. Quad Combo. Stretch combines 2 major tight muscle groups. Kneel on one knee. Grab your back ankle or foot. Lift it gently toward your glute. Hold for 20-30 seconds. Switch sides. This targets the deep hip flexor and quadriceps at once, highly effective for eliminating lower back stress. Advanced Stretch 3. Deep Spinal Wave. Stretch a dynamic movement to unlock the back safely. Stand tall. Roll your spine down slowly, 1 vertebra at a time. Stop when your hands reach the floor or shins. Roll back up slowly. Do 6 to 8 repetitions. This improves blood circulation and spinal hydration. Advanced Stretch 4. Glute Activation. Stretch weak or tight glutes contribute to sciatica, lower back pain, and hip strain. Lie on your back. Cross one ankle over the opposite knee. Pull your legs gently toward your chest. Hold for 25-30 seconds. This releases your piriformis, a common source of radiating pain. Advanced Stretch 5. Full chain mobility flow. Combines upper and lower body stretching in one continuous motion. How to do it. Stand tall, stretch arms overhead, slowly bend forward, extend one leg back. Lift hands up and return to standing. Repeat 6 reps each side. This boosts overall mobility and releases tension across the entire body. These advanced stretches improve flexibility, reduce pressure points, and enhance joint mobility. They are designed to eliminate the root causes of persistent pain. Pain in one area usually means weakness in another. Fix the right spot, and the pain disappears fast. For lower back pain. Lower back pain is often caused by tight hips, weak glutes, and stiff hamstrings. Hip unlock stretch. Leg line mobility. Stretch. Glute activation stretch. Spinal twist. Spinal wave stretch. Perform daily for 7 to 10 days. For neck and shoulder pain. Neck pain usually originates from tight chest muscles, rounded shoulders, or weak upper back. Upper body decompression. Shoulder capsule release. Full body lengthening. Gentle neck tilts, 10 each side. Perform twice daily if possible. For knee pain. Knee pain often comes from tight quads, weak glutes, or stiff ankles. Quad plus hip flexor combo. Hamstring stretch. Ankle mobility circles, 20 each direction. Glute activation stretch for hip pain. Hip pain results from prolonged sitting, reduced blood flow, and muscle imbalance. Hip flexor stretch. Piriformis stretch. Glute activation. Spinal twist. Mobility flow for full body stiffness. If you feel tired, heavy, or stiff everywhere, use this simple routine. Full body routine. Overhead reach. Forward fold. Spinal twist. Hip release. Hamstring. Stretch. Calf stretch. This routine unlocks mobility across the entire kinetic chain. Daily plan, weekly plan, breathing tips, recovery strategies, and how to maintain pain-free movement long-term. You don't need big changes to fix body pain, just the right habits done consistently. Daily routine, 5-10 minutes. Overhead reach, 25 sek. Hip stretch, 30 sek each side. Hamstring stretch, 25 sek each. Glute activation, 25 sek spinal twist, 30 sek weekly routine, 3-4 days. Full chain mobility flow, 10 reps. Spinal wave, 8 reps. Quad stretch, 30 sec each. Shoulder release, 30 sec each. Breathing for pain relief. Use deep belly breathing. Inhale, 4 seconds. Hold 1 second. Exhale, 6 seconds. This reduces tension and improves stretch depth safely. Hydration and recovery. Drink water before stretching. Eat anti-inflammatory foods. Get 6-8 hours of sleep. Avoid long hours of sitting. Long-term mobility strategy. Maintain daily stretching. Keep posture upright. Add light walking. Continue low-impact exercise. By following these routines consistently, your body becomes stronger, more flexible, and pain-resistant over time.